Hey, what's up, guys? I'm Charles Lampten. I'm on the men's basketball team here at College of Charleston. I'm from Cameroon. Cameroon is a pretty small country in Africa. I got a scholarship to play basketball here, and it's just like a life-changing thing. I'm a man of faith, first and foremost, and this place is literally called the Holy City. Like, what better name like for a city than the Holy City? I just love Coach Kelsey, a great man, great person, great staff. We can be one of the best in the country, I believe. We're gonna make some major strides every single year, bring out the best we got and everything. They ain't ready for us, huh?
They're not ready.
They ain't ready for us,
Got a
guys.
surprise for the world, man.
They ain't gonna know what he done. Oh my gosh. So right now I'm currently about to walk to school. You know what? I like to walk early in the morning, kind of like pump my blood a little bit. Here we got the Big Bad Breakfast, probably like one of the best restaurants around town. Say hi, Mr. Drake.
Hi.
Yeah, coolest teacher out here, Charleston, y'all know. I'm currently in the study hall at TD Arena. I try to be here as much as I can because obviously education is a big part of being a student athlete. When I'm not doing basketball stuff or I'm not doing homework, I like to hang out with my friends in the locker room. That's where we spend most of our days. Just playing ping pong, just goofing around. You good, Osi? What are you doing, bro? Why are you recording us? I'm recording you, bro. You can't record me. I'm recording you. Hey, yo, I can't believe they were trying to expose me, man. So I got a message locker. Man, look at this big kid. This is a guy. So, hey, yo, bro, yo. Watch out, bro. Hey, it feels awesome right now. It feels like 75. What's up, dogs? Yes, sir. About to head to the battery. The battery's probably like 5 minutes bike ride. I got a lot of cool shops around here, so.
You trying to go to the Gucci store?
To Gucci store, I'm broke. I can go to no Gucci store. Yeah, so we out here in the battery. Nice little place to just come and hang out. I'm heading to practice. We probably have like a short practice today, so it's gonna be fun. I'm gonna compete and everything. And after that, I have this Friendsgiving with a couple of my FCA guys, my friends, everything. Yes, sir. What you got here, bro?
Hey. Don't cut in line now. In the back of the line.
I just got done watching some volleyball game. They had the final regular season game. I'm currently working on some English homework. Since we're pretty much in season right now, I gotta catch up and everything, trying to do everything before we start going away games and everything. I think right there, the cheerleading and dancing team kind of like getting ready for our big game on Thursday. Oh yeah, E. Oh yeah, E. Yes, sir, E. Yeah. Yes, sir, E. I know for sure your athletic trainer doesn't work out at 8 p.m. at night, man. We got the best on a Sunday. We got the best athletic trainer in the whole world. What's up, guys? It's finally the day. That day we play UNC. We're definitely excited. Right now, I'm about to go get some pre-game meal with some of my teammates. The street jumping right now. I think we're gonna have a lot of people at that game. So, yeah, definitely excited, man. It's gonna be a great experience. Yesterday we had our game against UNC, didn't go our way, but we just love to see like everyone just rallying behind us. Like, it's more than a school. It's such a great place, such a great community. I'll be the first to tell you, like, I wasn't expecting such a diversity, such a strong community with with this place, man. Like, who would have thought that a boy coming from Africa, like Cameroon, like, will end up in a place like this, man? It really is major love. Again, I want to just encourage like the student athlete that are gonna come here. Hey, if you put your hard work, dedication into it, you can really accomplish anything in life. Nothing comes easy. Nothing really comes easy, but yeah, stay with it. Stay humble. Appreciate life. You're really gonna love this city. You're really gonna fall in love with this city.